You're up. Check out. Good. You ready? Let's send it. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot out. Beautiful. Look at him fly. Next Parrot on deck.
I am your boss now. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Chief Feather, good. First rule, more snacks, less paperwork.
Will you marry me?
Come on, it's time for school.
No! I already graduated from Chaos University. I'm too cute for homework.
Your son is not paying attention in class.
What did you say?
Fresh deals! 1 hat makes you handsome, 2 hats make you mysterious.
Look at it.